Welcome back to Fully Geeking Out. You saw the title, let's get into it. For this new grill, we're going to start by installing the lettering. All you do is push them in from the front, screw them in the back, and that is it. Next, we're going to work on the front radar sensor. What you're going to do is pop out these pegs with a screwdriver because they just melted them there, the post, to keep it together. Pull out these posts and push out this placeholder and unclip and push it straight out. So this is the protective cover for the radar system. All you're going to do is push it in from the front and make sure it clips into place. Be careful to not break the bottom clips. Make sure they slide into the slot properly. And it looks like this. Next, you're going to push in these post retainers to hold in the front radar sensor protector. Next, we're going to install the Raptor lights. Here's the old grill. Next, you're going to unscrew these top screws and clips. You take a screwdriver, pop them out. Make sure to unplug the radar before pulling out the whole grill assembly. Next, you're going to remove the grill by pulling it forward towards you. Now you're going to remove the center insert by unscrewing it and unclipping it. Here are the screw points on the insert. Make note that the new insert does not have any screw points. It just clips into place. The screws look like this. Now we're going to remove the radar. Make sure to remove these screw retentions and place them into the new insert. Sensor in. Make sure it slides into those pegs. Push down gently. Screw it in. Very simple. Make sure all 3 screws are nice and tight. Do not over tighten. Now here is the grill. You push down and it clips right into place. And reinstall the bolts and clips. Connect the Raptor lights to the wiring harness. I already wired this in from my old harness, so if you want to see how I installed my wiring harness, check out the video that I will have linked in the description for custom Raptor lights. And here it is. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe out there. Peace.